In this video, I'll show you how to resize a photo on your laptop. Let's get started. First, locate the image you want to resize on your computer. Now, right-click on the image and select Open With, then choose Photos. Once the image opens in the Photos app, look at the top and click on the three dots menu. From the menu, click on Resize Image. A new window will appear with resize options. Here, you can choose the image size presets or select Define Custom Dimensions. Now, enter the width and height you want for your image. Make sure to keep the aspect ratio locked if you want to avoid stretching the image. After setting the size, click on Save Resized Copy. Now choose the location where you want to save the new image and click Save. And that's it! Your image has now been successfully resized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.